Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made this video, so this is part 2 on, well, I've lost one of my dots. Oh, there it is over there. I made a video where the 3.375 holes followed around this contour on the outside, but I'm almost thinking he would want the holes in this contour. Now, he knows how much the contour is, but I don't. So I'm going to take my parallel dimension tool and I'm going to measure it, and it is 0.75 or 3/4 of an inch. And so what we could do now is take his inside contour, go up to Effects and Contour, and we're going to contour one time to the outside with square corners. That's pretty important because if you don't, it will round those corners. And we're going to do it in red. We're going to hit apply. So now we have a red line right down the middle between the two. We're going to select it all. We're going to go up to Object and break the 4 objects apart. Basically, it took away the contour. Now, I'm on the red line because I can see it down here. The other two are black, so I'm going to nudge it out of the way. We don't need the contour docker anymore. We're going to go up to Windows, Dockers, Properties. And since it's a curve, we can use the curve tool. We got 131 inches, round it off. So bring out the calculator. 331. 331 divided by 2 is 166, let's say. But we already got 2 dots, so we're going to go 164. So we're going to take the 2. We're going to open up the blend docker under Effects, Blend, and we're going to go 60. Let's round it off, make it 63. It doesn't really matter. Hit apply, new path, put it on the path, go up to blend along full path and hit apply. And I'm not sure if this is what he's wanting, but now he's got the holes. And you can delete this line by going up to Object and, well, maybe you can just delete it. No, we took away the hole. So we're going to have to select the whole thing, go up to Object and break the 6 objects apart. Control K. Now let's zoom in here. Click on just the line and hit delete. Now you've got holes on the inside of that contour or between. So the same thing I would have, done before we did in the previous video, because we have these. No, we have not broke the contour apart. Ungroup them. I would do this in this case for sure. Just go ahead and move, and if you didn't see the first video on how to get this even, I would do that all the way around to get it on the corner, because in that way, when you take away that line, it's going to look so much better by having those in the, I'm grabbing there we go, hit delete. Anyway, pretty simple. I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.